very warm good morning to my dear student. This is class 4 maths. As you all know, we are doing a chapter 16, that is the title of the chapter is money. We have completed up to 16C. Now it's time to do the 16D exercise. Children, it's just like in this portion we are going to do how to add to money. Okay, so let's start doing chapter, that is 16D. Add the following. First of all, try to understand the rupees and paisa both are different. Okay, you have to add rupees with rupees and paisa with paisa. It never be that you will be including all. You will be not clubbing 36 paisa and 36 rupees with each other. Okay, it should always be different rupees, different paisa. For example, here rupees should be written separately and paisa should be written separately. Now in this sum, if you see, rupees 36 paisa 55 plus rupees 25 paisa 75. It means that paisa should be written just below the paisa. So यहाँ पे पैसा कहाँ लिखा है, एक पैसे के नीचे ही पैसा लिखेंगे and rupees के नीचे ही rupees लिखेंगे. Now if you have to do this sum, how to do it? Okay, let's see. We are doing in the copy. That is 1. Add. Everyone know how to do add? You people are knowing, na? So let's do addition part of money. Question A, that is here you have to mention rupees and here paisa. 36, 55. 25, 75, and this is the sign of plus. Now 5 plus 5, 10, so just write 0 here, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. So you have to write it 3 here and 1 will carry here. Okay, 1 will go just above the 6, so it will be added to 6. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 5, that is equal to 12. So 2, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So what is your answer? Answer should be 62 rupees 62 30 paisa. Or you can write, it should be like this, rupees 62.30. Understand children? It's very easy. हम लोगों ने क्या किया, फिर से समझो कंसेप्ट को. पैसा के नीचे ही पैसा रखेंगे और पैसा और रुपीस को एक साथ नहीं लिखेंगे. रुपीस के नीचे रुपीस रखेंगे और जब ऐड करेंगे इट विल बी सिमिलर, जैसे आप नॉर्मल ऐड करते हो. द सेम प्रोसेस, सेम फॉर्मूला वी यूज. वंस पहले इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वन साइड, देन इट विल गो सिमिलटेनियसली टेंस, 100 and 1000. Okay, let's do another sum, that is sum number D. So here I am having rupees, here I am having paisa. So it is 82, 82, 72, 15 plus. Now 2 plus 5 is 7, write 7 here. 8 plus 1, 9, so 9. This is paisa. Now 2 plus 2, 4, 8 plus 7, 15. So what will be answer? Your answer will be rupees 154.97. Understand? This will be your answer. Let's do question number G. So again you rupees paisa. This way you have to do. 80, 80, 75, 25. Add. So 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 5, 6, 8 plus 7, 15. So answer is 156.05. So you understand these sums, how ma'am is doing. I am giving 1 minute, just write the sums in your classwork copy. Okay, I have done A, D, G. Another sum, let's do H. So that 4 sums I have done and another 4 sums you people are going to do. No, either there is another also sums are there. So let's do one by one. H. Let's do H. Rupees, पैसे. 165, 25, 95, 15. What we have to do? We have to add. Easy. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So what will be answer? Rupees 260.40. Are you able to understand this? Okay. So in this way, question number 1 is easily done. I am doing another sum. Just take care. This is 2. Only 2 line sums. Now let's do 3 line sums. How to do 3 line sums? Let's do P. Question number P. Now in question number P, rupees is here and paisa is here. 346, 25, 505, 50. 231, 50. Now, so how many? We are getting how many lines? 1, 2, 3 lines. So let's start doing this. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. So write just 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So write 2 here and carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So what is the answer? Rupees 1083.25. This is your answer. So in this way, children, these sums you will easily do it. Okay. So I am giving you have to do these sums in your copy. You will do it in your book, but it should be noted down in your copy also, in notebook, because I am going to check your notebook. So note down all the answers, all up to T, A to T in your copy should be mentioned. Okay. Now let's do A, B, 2 portion. What we are having now? We are having 4 digits number. Add the following. So when we are having 4 digit number, we have to arrange it. Okay. Let's learn how to arrange these sums. Whenever you are watching this video, you take out your copy and book along with that. Don't watch this video blankly, because if you are doing it along with me, you are learning something new. Just watching the video will not solve the purpose. Okay. So take out your copy also. If you are not taking out, take it out copy and start doing it along with me. So we are doing question number 2. Add the following. So what is question number 2 says? It says there are A. Let's do question number A. Rupees 6324.50, that 50 is paisa, right? Plus rupees 4834.00 plus rupees 3871.50. Now children, this is total sum. So I told you one thing, make 2 columns, one for rupees and one for paisa. Now start with the first line. First line is 6324.50 means paisa. Now second line 4834, paisa is how much? 00. Third 3871, paisa is 50. Now what we have to do? Add. Sign of add is this. Okay. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 2 carry. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, that is 12. 12 plus 3, that is 15. So what will be your answer? Your answer should be rupees 15030.00. How can we spell this? 15,030 rupees 0 paisa. Are you able to understand? Let's do another sum so that it will be easy for you to understand. Let's go question number C. Rupees 98.05 plus rupees 981.15 plus rupees 8433.50. So now just take care that whatever things you are writing, it should be ones के नीचे ones रहेंगे, tens के नीचे tens रहेंगे. Just see, 2 कॉलम बनाया, रुपीज़ का अलग, पैसे का अलग. Now this is 98, ये पैसा है तो 05. Now this is 981. So ones के प्लेस पे 1, tens के प्लेस पे 8, 9, 15. Now 8433.50. इसको इस तरह से करना. आया समझ में? इजी है ना? 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 1, 2 carry. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So what will be your answer? Rupees 9512.70. That is 9,512. Are you able to understand? Ones के नीचे मैम ने 1 रखा. ये प्लेस है ना, प्लेस वैल्यू के नीचे जो प्लेस वैल्यू आता है वो, जैसे ये ones का है, ये tens का है. ये ones, tens, 100. यहाँ पे ones, tens, 100, 1000. सो ones के नीचे में हमेशा ones लिखते हैं, 10 के नीचे में tens लिखेंगे, 100 के नीचे hundreds. क्लियर हुआ? Now I think this exercise is very easy. You can do it all sums in your copy. That will be your homework. Thank you children. Take care of yourself. Complete the homework.